This is Elena SunGlory with you. Nowadays, durable consumable goods are very popular in India, local market, US and European market. If you want to start a new business in setting factory for small home appliance, we are your best project partner. Work with SunGlory, you have the guarantee to succeed from first beginning. We expanded A to Z production solution of small home appliance, especially in electrical kettle, rice cooker, air fryer, sandwich maker, and mixing jar, those household items. Most of our customers can cover their investment within 6 to 12 months or 18 to 24 months. Up to 2024, we have set up 180 production lines all over the world, including 15 non-stick cookware factories in the past 4 years. 84 of our customers are #1 in their segment market, including JB Cookware, Hamilton, Arfel, Watson, Hawkins, Stowcraft, etc. 7 service centers are supporting daily production for more than 410 customers in 30 countries.
This is our factory director, Engineer Tang. Engineer Tang has more than 28 years experiences in non-stick coating and powder coating line. He has set up coating plant in Egypt, Vietnam, Philippines, and Bangladesh. Our engineer will design the non-stick cookware production line according to our client's requirement.
Call us, set up your own factory, run automation, win more market.